Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then make sure to subscribe and also follow me on my Instagram. So in today's video I have a 2020 hairstyle tutorial for you all. Now 2020 has been a crazy year, I'm sure we all can agree on that. So other than that, I'm gonna show you guys my current hairstyle look. Basically 2020, the new hairstyle I think is very short and minimalistic. This is the kind of look that I think is very trendy at the moment. So I have a new haircut. So I went very short with the sides and number one, and also at the top I went very short as well. Now it is very different for me and new, so let's see how this goes. It's never been that short, or might have been, but it's quite different because I had very long hair in quarantine. Now it's completely short, so it's kind of a little bit weird. In order to do this hairstyle tutorial, I'm gonna use a new product from a new brand that I have been introduced, and it is called Baxter of California. Now Baxter of California, one of my friends, he uses one of his products and he swears by it, so he told me to get it, and I'm sure I will love it as well, because he literally raved about this product and said this product is absolutely amazing and you need to try it out as well. So a little bit of brand information about Baxter of California. Now it was founded in 1965, which is quite a long time ago, and it is an American brand, as the name says, California in Los Angeles. So Baxter of California there specializes of cosmetics and beauty products, especially for men. Now it is targeted for men, it is a men's brand, but nowadays I think we all know that just everybody can use it, everybody can access it, so it is a versatile brand basically nowadays. So they do like loads of skincare products, loads of grooming products for men like shaving, they do shower products, they also have lifestyle products such as candles and fragrances, and they do, which is the main thing, is hair care products. Now I'm gonna use one of their best-selling hair products, I would say, and it is the Baxter of California, the Clay Pomade. Now Baxter has loads of different type of hair products, and as I said, it was founded in 1965, which is such a long time ago. So obviously, if you can think about it, since now they're very popular in the US, so I'm sure it is more like an American brand, then hence why I haven't heard it in the UK quite a while. I had a peek in their website, and they have, as I said, loads of hair products, and the one that stood out to me and also that my friend recommended is the Clay Pomade, and they have a bunch of other different products. So if you think that you might have an interest in something else, then definitely go and check out their website. I'm gonna link it down below as well, but this one is the Clay Pomade I'm gonna use. It is a firm hold and matte finish. This is what it says in here. Speaking more about the packaging is very cool, very different. Now it is made of a glass, I think, like very heavy glass jar, I would say, and it has like a black lid. It says Baxter and what it is, clay pomade, and at the bottom you got the instructions, and there it looks very nice, very minimalistic, very aesthetically pleasing, and looks nice on the dressing table or on the bathroom shelf. Let's do the smell test and see how this smells. It smells very minty, nice and fresh, very clean, and I think it has a hint of coconut, I would think. It smells very fresh, very minty, I would say, so it's a nice smell, I would think. So I'm gonna quickly read what it says in the direction and the instruction, which is just written in the small sticker at the bottom of the jar. So it says top use. Apply a dim size amount to palm and rub hands together to spread evenly. Apply product throughout your hair and style as desired. So pretty simple. So my hair is freshly washed at the moment, so it's a little bit damp dry, which I think is great. Since the consistency is a little bit thick, very thick, so I'm gonna take a little bit of this product. Maybe this size is enough. So yeah, I'm gonna take a little bit of product this size and see how this goes. Okay. This is the size that I've taken, very dim size amount, and let's rub it between my fingers. Now, not guys, it is very thick, very thick, and I feel like it has a little bit of greediness inside the formula. But yeah, I'm gonna take it like so, and then just work it in. I'm gonna do it a bit more slowly because it is pulling my hair a tiny bit. It's not as flowy, because hence the consistency is very thick, hence why it's pulling probably my hair. The product is all gone from my hair, so it has distributed itself evenly, but some of my frizzy hair is obviously sticking out, so I'm gonna take a tiny bit more. Again, rub it between the fingers like so. It is very thick consistency, so you have it literally rub it perfectly between your fingers to soften up the consistency, the formula. If you don't, you get this kind of greediness and this kind of like residue on your hair, which you don't want. So you have to literally work it between your fingers. And the smell is really good. I really like the smell. So I'm gonna take a bit more and put it maybe at the front and perhaps at the back. So the 2020 hairstyle look is very like this effortless, very like you made your hair but not put too much effort on it, so very like cool and freestyle, so not like perfectly neat and tidy. This is not the look, I would say. So it has to be a bit more messy at the front, a little bit of hair poking out, so it doesn't have to be all neat and tidy. Okay guys, so I think I'm all done, and seeing by my viewfinder, I think it only took me like around 3 minutes, which is not that long. So this is it. This is the finished result. This is how my hair looks. I think it looks great. Now the product, it is a matte finish as it says, and it has a hold on itself on my hair. Now I can see how my hair has gone up, and I really like it. Now it did give me this matte kind of effect look, which as it says at the bottom, and also it has this hold. Now it is very like sturdy, like if I do this, obviously my hair is short, it doesn't really shake, but I can see how the consistency is and how it works on my hair. My hair does feel nice and tight, which I really like, and I think it will stay all day throughout, which I think is also very important. So this clay pomade comes in only one size, which is this size, and it is a 60 ml. 60 ml is quite a lot that you will get, and the price of this would be, I think, £16 if I'm not wrong. So I'm gonna leave it loads of links for you to down below for you to go and check it out. It is £16 for this size, which I think is great, and it will last you a long time, since it is a more like a high quality, more like a luxury product. It's not one of your local like drugstore or Boots kind of products, so it is more in the luxury market. You will find it more in the hair salons as well if you can't find it online. The whole kind of Baxter products are more like salon type of products, so you can imagine they're more like high quality, more luxurious, so more the ingredients that they use is more better than other type of products that you will find. Also, you will find this in loads of different retailers such as Look Fantastic, Cult Beauty, Feel Unique probably, and Amazon, and also on the official website. So I'm gonna leave loads of links for you to down below for you guys to go and check it out. I really like it, and I definitely suggest you guys to go and check this out. It's great. It does the job basically, and I'm really impressed, and I'm really liking how it turned out. Do let me know if you have tried this product already, and also do let me know if I should try other Baxter products in the comments down below. So that's it with this video. Until next time, I will see you in the next one.